thing. Heads up! Like the rotation you ended up playing against, their passers are better or their hitters are stronger. I don't know.
I think we just lost the point. I think they're out of system.
Well, that's too bad. Okay, we're running back.
Wow.
I think for free balls, you just air on off.
Yeah, so I get like
just high and like arcing.
the way I see free balls is like this is a chance to get middle and balls. So I try to set it tight, but we're not running one, so there's
no, it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Heads up! Sorry. Same. I told you I haven't played in like the last month, maybe last 4 weeks. I haven't played, and I feel like I missed another week somewhere too. So I don't know any teams here. Oh, nice.
Game line.
Yeah, I mean they're tall, so Monka has, but not much you can do if they're tall. Oh. Well, the tall people, they can get away with it though. Oh, nice serve. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Oh, sorry. Go.
Ryan, I feel like you could still be a little more behind the ball. Because when you're swinging, you swing and then you like stop. No, you're swinging like this, but you stop. So like you can't swing through, which means the net is there, or you just don't swing through.
Okay, that's good.
I don't know. Try swinging through, see if you hit the net or not. I don't know. Hirsch? Then you can be more behind. Let me watch from next to her. Yeah, I'll watch. Oh, I'm setting? Oh shit. Yeah, you swung through. That was good. Yeah, look good to me. You follow through. All right. Should we get started? Yeah. It's going over the net, so you good. Yeah. Y'all ready? Oh, that's true. There's a lot more games to play. Heads up!
Ooh, sorry. Ron's fault.
That's not, he's not wrong. But we're on the wrong court, so.
Game ball? Alright. Are y'all okay with it? I don't even know whose this is. Ryan, oh, it's Ryan's ball.
Ryan's ball?
Yeah. Are you guys okay with your ball? Oh, okay. We got first serve. I'm super tired. I'm so tired.
We have 2 more games.
I haven't played in like a month.
I know, that's why I keep it steady.
I was watching their hits, not impressive. Just put up a block.
Okay. Alright, just put up a block.
A lot on this hits. They can only hit cross. Like basically only hit straight in the direction.
Okay. Alright.
It's good.
Sounds good. We'll keep an eye on it for a second. Deep breath on 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the best chair, huh?
Okay, do you want to switch up mics?
Not yet.
Oh, no one said 1, 2, 3, huh?
I did it last game. I didn't mic last
It's the new thing for me. It doesn't
game.
record.
You're not even talking. You're not even talking.
I am. I'm breathing. You didn't hear me breathe?
Middle, middle, middle.
I'll take more. I can take more. Oh, wait. Oh, you only bought one side. Yeah. Maybe a little further back there.
It's okay. I mean, 1v1 middle.
Half a
Rough.
step.
Not much to do there. In.
Up.
That is not enough. I need to set someone else. Uh-oh. My bad.
Nice.
No. My hands were up here, and then they took time to go down here.
No, that's fine though.
Then you start here. No, I'm just reviewing what I need to do.
Karen, I'll give those to you.
I literally got it.
Good run.
Karen, help pass. Hirsch, cover D. No, Ryan, stay pass. That's why he's covering. Ooh, okay. Check your seam. Let's see. Hirsch, your call.
Left seams?
Whatever Hirsch says.
Bye. Left seams!
Timeout.
Wait, left seams means no one gets this. Huh?
Sorry.
Okay, my bad.
Now we're chilling, don't worry about it. Let's get a break. Huh?
My fault. I could have still
No.
I think it's fine. Ryan, just like you need
Can
to.
you also call who's
even if it's
getting
way over
it?
there, take a step.
You're in the middle. Yeah, just say you or me.
On the off chance that they do shake it, you need to. No, don't. Assume they're not going to touch it. But if they do shake it,
The left seam just gets fucked by the deep corner. It went deep.
cross corner.
Okay, alright.
All right, ready?
Alright.
All right, deep breath on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, my bad. Alright.
Check your seams. Crew.
Left seams for real, for reals.
I'll watch that.
Whoa. I go.
Pipe. Clear. Over!
Oh.
My fault.
No, it's okay.
Thanks.
That
Covering.
was really good.
My fault.
No, it's fine. Nice, Megan.
You take those! Woo-hoo!
Outside.
Nice serve! Middle again.
Grab anyway.
You're in the right spot. Fuck you.
Cover this way.
Nice
Nice.
serve! Yeah! Let's go! Woo.
Keep it up. Same thing.
Nice
Center,
work.
front row, primary, middle.
It's been just night and day. You know, good run. Let's go.
Next one, Karen.
Woo! All right. Top serve again. Left seam. Oh, right
DJ.
seam.
Five.
Over!
Wait. One line. My bad.
Let's
block.
go.
Nice job. But wait,
I'll
we
put
need
it
to
in
cover.
Yeah. Don't pass it too tight for Megan. Dunk! 4. Oh,
Oh.
I go 4. Whoa!
Nice lead.
Not bad. Block. I will blame that block.
Hey, good stuff.
Hitting the net, but it's okay.
Oh, it's okay. Nicely, nicely. Sorry about that first set.
Megan said, I'm not moving.
Yeah. Good pressure, good pressure. Touch!
Oh!
Great play.
Nice talking. Keep talking, Bert.
Let's go. Nice swing. Dump.
Hold it.
Mm-hmm. Nice serve. Over.
Hey, nice ball.
Oh,
Very good aim.
dude. Calculated. Hirsch has had a few of these already. Perfect spot. Dump. 5.
Nice. Good call. Great call. Sorry, I was kind of.
No, that's fine. As long as somebody
Way to
calls
call
it.
five.
Way to set it. Yeah.
One jump.
Worth. Yeah, it's fun. Oh. Good touch, you're there. Good touch.
Great run.
Huge run. Great run. Let's go. Good serve.
I saw you switch sides, Megan.
All right.
Yeah, I did.
Let's go.
Sorry, that was too low. No, that's too low. That was too low. It was too low, and the guy was right there. Crap set. I think a little higher. Good. Off. Free ball. Ow!
Good call.
So close.
That was not close.
No, I wasn't close.
Right.
Oh!
So close.
So close. Good swing. I need to push you out a little more still.
Right. I know. Oh. Nice.
What a
Stay
set.
safe.
You take those. Back row. In. One more in, right?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Eagle eyes. That's fine. I didn't step.
Okay.
Great spot.
Just let me know if you want it more. In.
Shoot, ready.
Yay!
Good pass. Nice stuff.
Nice.
Good set, good hit.
I look
I
good.
saw that.
That's my ace.
Let me see. In. Let's go!
Oh, wait. Right, nice decision.
Thanks.
Great.
Get ready, Karen.
In. Nice up.
Free.
Nice up.
One.
Oh,
You
you
okay?
okay? Oh shit! Nice swing. But, holy
Can we cover blocks?
Oh, yeah. Nice stuff.
Middle. Oh. Nice up.
You're off, Karen.
Nice.
Middle. Yeah.
Hey.
Let's
Nice
go.
job.
Huge.
Menace at the net.
You good? Back row?
That's not you.
No.
Oh yeah. I've seen.
You
Oh,
have 2 chances.
is Karen passing? Or is not passing? In. Nice pass. One.
Oh, shoot. Nice set. My bad. It was a little off.
Woo!
Nice set. My bad.
In. Nice up.
I got it. Yeah, I'll leave it, Megan. It hit the line. Yeah. I think that's fine.
That's just a good hit. Hard. In. Nice up. Oh, tight.
Last. Reset. Nice, Hank.
NT.
That's not you.
Yeah, I know I call it the pass.
No, Karen, go back.
Short. Nice up.
Right.
Off. You're there, TJ. You're there.
Karen, go back. First high. Or Ryan high.
Shot.
Two behind you. Karen, you're up.
Okay, we got this. Sorry about the pass.
I get a call.
Tight. Not good for her.
Super side. Go to the line. Let's go to the line. Come on, line.
It's okay. Yeah. Not me.
No, good line. Way to follow.
Karen.
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 Let's
go. I'll give you one, yeah?
Nice serve. Middle.
Nice.
I go.
Oh, hell yeah, mate.
Did you have
Oh,
that?
it was too close.
Did you have that?
My two was.
No, I didn't. It was a little low.
Did you have that one?
Otherwise, it was fine.
Oh, this
You
side.
have
This
that
side.
one?
This side.
Don't worry about it. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Good call. No, good call. I was gonna touch it if you didn't call. Nice serve, nice serve, nice serve. Over! Help! Over, 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 over. Middle, middle. Okay, he's in the back. He can't hurt us anymore.
Short.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, help!
My bad. Yeah.
I run.
Sorry, sorry. That pass.
Yeah, if it hits that, I'll be there. Sorry.
Clear. Nice up. Yeah. See? Fuck yeah, let's go.
Good stuff. Let's get good.
Nice.
Way to run back there and get it.
Daniel yelled at me last time for that.
Dude, nice swing. That's crazy. Up. Let's go. Woo!
Block the double blocker.
I'm sorry. That was my bad. Dump. Dump! I go. Tight. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Nice up, Megan.
No, that was too low. No.
It's okay.
They only have one block on you, Herb?
No, the side was too low. The side was too low. My bad. That's my bad. Sorry. Big four!
Nice sub.
This way.
Oh, sorry about that last one. Too low.
I was just trying to get cute.
Okay.
Honestly, I would take that again.
You can't ask for more. Middle. You want me to block?
Nice block, Hirsch. Yes, Hirsch. What? No, you can't, like, you can't guard God.
Let's go.
Nice and easy.
Ryan, half step back.
Nice.
Keep pushing.
Keep pushing. Push two. Push two.
One first, and then push one. You got us the deuce. Let's go.
It's okay. It's okay.
Holy crap, I'm an idiot.
It's okay. Side out right here.
No hide. Don't hide.
In. Help! Off. Middle. Help!
Reset.
Okay.
Good stuff.
Not bad. I don't think I should have blocked that.
That's some water.
That last one I shouldn't go up. I should just let her hit.
On a girl, never.
Yeah.
I miss you.
No,
Oh, it's not okay.
it's not okay.
I'm
Not
sorry.
too. The first race I'm okay with because I felt like it was pretty good. Yeah.
And it was on after a long.